Hello everyone. Today we will bring you an exciting storm test of doors and windows. We simulated a 12-level typhoon to fully test the performance of Phonpa doors and windows under extreme weather conditions to see if they can withstand the harsh test of wind and rain. At Phonpa, we understand the importance of doors and windows in homes and commercial spaces. Therefore, we conduct rigorous quality tests on each of our products. Our aluminum doors and windows undergo multiple tests to ensure their stability and safety in different environments. First, the first line of defense for doors and windows is glass. Phonpa doors and windows uses high-quality tempered glass with thickness precisely matched according to door and window area and usage requirements. At the same time, hollow layers is set between glass interlayers, which not only improves wind resistance, but also takes into account sound insulation and heat preservation. No matter how the wind and rain attack, this glass can provide rock-solid protection. High-strength profiles are the cornerstone of durable doors and windows. The framework of doors and windows relies on solid profiles. Phonpa doors and windows uses high-quality aluminum alloy. Their material hardness and mechanical properties have been repeatedly verified to ensure that doors and windows remain stable in extreme environments. All of this is to ensure the safety and durability of your doors and windows and withstanding the test of time and wind and rain. What really determines the performance is the precise structural design. Only with a rigorous structure can we ensure that the doors and windows will not leak air or water when a typhoon strikes and maintain overall stability. From wind resistance to water tightness and air tightness, Phonpa doors and windows uses high-standard technology to provide you with an impeccable safety barrier. In modern home design, doors and windows are not only functional elements, but also an important part of enhancing the overall aesthetics. Phonpa knows this very well, so we focus on the research and development and production of various types of doors and windows, such as our casement windows, sliding doors, sliding windows, folding doors, sunrooms, etc. Whether you are decorating a new house or renovating an old house, we can provide you with the best door and window solutions. When the wind and rain come, you need more than just doors and windows, but peace of mind. Choose Phonpa doors and windows, so that no matter how strong the wind and rain are, they cannot shake the warmth of your home. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to get more information about door and window products.